Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set learning reminders in the Coursera application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then scroll down, and at the push notification section, click on the learning reminders button. And as you can see, you can set it from Sunday to Saturday. So just click on the set time button to the day that you want to set a reminder. And then just set it. And if you changed your mind, you can just click on the reset all reminders to start again. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.